Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can withdraw from Kucoin to your bank account. Now, of course, you need to, this is much easier to do on the desktop than on the mobile app. So we're going to do this on the desktop. Now, once you're logged into your desktop, you need to look to your upper right corner of the screen, right beside Add Funds, right? Right beside Add Funds, it says Assets. And if you click on Assets like this, you're going to be brought to this page. Now, under this page, what you want to do is look towards your left-hand menu. So under Deposit, you see Withdraw. So click on Withdraw, and here you will need to do these security steps before you will be able to withdraw, which is link your email, create a trading password, and then Google 2FA or a phone number. You need to create these two before you can actually withdraw your bank account. And after that, you need a Binance account, and then just link that to this so that you could withdraw crypto from here to your Binance wallet, to your Binance account, so that you could actually sell whatever crypto you have. And then within your Binance account, you will have the option to deposit it to your bank account. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.